many candles she has burning because it smells so bad in here. Hey guys, it's my family here. I filmed this video before I found out I got cheated on and before I dyed my hair pink, so that's why everything's different and I just am posting this late. And today I'm gonna be doing yet another cleaning my room at 2 a.m. video because I have nothing better to do. But guys, this isn't my room. This is Daniela's room. I'm currently in LA and we're gonna be cleaning her room because since I've been here, I've made it a complete mess because we've been trying on so many outfits for different IG pics. So, you know, go follow her Instagram if you guys want to see those. She has quite a big room. It's like the size of like someone's apartment. No. Yes, it's the size of people's apartments. Yes, like it's massive. But we have a lot of surface area to clean and it's currently, I think, like almost 1 a.m. now, so we're gonna take quite a bit to clean her room, but let's first do an overview. Oh Lord.
Oh my god, like I didn't expect you guys at all come in. Excuse the mess, like this is so unexpected. I didn't know anyone was gonna be filming. This is my closet. Here we have some boxes, pile of clothes. Actually, this is kind of clean right here.
Yeah, because we like change on this side, so.
This is a bear my boyfriend got me for Christmas.
Wow, and it's on the floor. Shows how much you love him, eh?
Honestly, it was a lot worse. Mai kind of put her stuff away. Like you really did.
Yeah, there was a whole air mattress on the ground.
This is my sleeping corner, so Mai sleeps on this side of the room.
Yeah, we have some lemonade that I got a couple days ago. Her Chanel bag that I've been drinking and eating next to, but like, it's fine. It's definitely fine. Okay, bathroom time.
Oh, wait. Actually, no. Go.
Okay.
I thought I like peed in the flush.
So basically, her like pipes have been clogged.
Oh my god, wait, no. Like a plumber came today and they said basically the pipe is like clogged.
So like none of the water is draining. So it smells like shit.
Why does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit? Disgusting!
But it's fine. So we've been doing our makeup and stuff in here. Like the counters aren't like that messy. Like mine are more messy at back at home. But like it's because I'm like gross.
We're just like gross. Like look at that. I already lost my makeup we got from Glossier.
Look how many candles she has burning because it smells so bad in here. I wish you guys could smell this right now because it smells like shit. So we're gonna be cleaning.
I was crying earlier. So.
Oh, why?
I was.
Her boyfriend was making her cry. Okay, so we're gonna do two different perspectives. She's gonna clean her closet and I'm gonna clean like my shit up. So ready? 3, 2. So I'm currently sitting on the ground where like all my stuff is. I actually leave tomorrow, so I should pack up most of my things, but I'm gonna like leave an outfit out. And I had some Taco Bell today, so like I'm gonna be on the toilet later, but it's fine. These Balenciagas aren't mine, and they're also like really expensive. I got like makeup from Maybelline because I went to an event of theirs that I wasn't invited to. But it's fine. So first I'm gonna start off by packing up like my dirty clothes. These are my Crocs. I bought like pairs of Crocs and I ordered them to Daniela's house because I was being dumb. They're Post Malone Crocs.
Okay, so we're currently in my closet. The shadows in here are beyond weird. But anywho, let's get to cleaning because this isn't my video without a 2 a.m. part. Okay, so my closet's kind of messy. Let's just start cleaning. I am gonna say this. My little sister raids my closet 24/7. This mess isn't fully me, and then also me and Mai, we do change in here a lot, and we just like leave everything there because we're girls, and that's just what girls do because we're so like girly.
Like all the dirty clothes I'm gonna put in here. I have like a Louis Vuitton bag that comes with like the bags you buy that you're not supposed to put dirty clothes in, but I'm gonna do it anyways because like there's no other use for it. I literally can never keep anything white. Like, look at this. Dirty with makeup. So, I don't know if it's just me, but I stain every single piece of clothing I have.
Oh my god. I look like poopy because it's currently 12:34 and I'm tired. Mai put this clip in so they can see how good I could have looked.
I got you.
Period.
And that's on period.
Mai, is this yours? Did you buy this?
Yes. Something white that I'm gonna stain. Thanks. Look, it's another white shirt that I stained. Are we surprised? No, because I'm not.
Ow, I stepped on something. I'm just gonna fake like I'm cleaning. I'm gonna sleep, and then Mai's gonna walk in here after she's done cleaning, and she's gonna be all mad at me. I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm done napping. Here we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this brandy bag just to put all the trash in it. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, since I didn't have as much trash as I thought I had, I'm gonna put away all of my pantalones. I probably did not say that. I'm gonna put away my pants. Okay, side note, I also have a lot of my boyfriend's clothes here, so I'm putting all my boyfriend's clothes to the side so I can not give them to him, but keep them at my house.
Okay, so I just put like all the dirty clothes that I see right now into like one of those packers and then rolled everything up just so I could like try to save as much room as possible because I only bring a carry-on and I bought a bunch of clothes and I got shoes. So I'm gonna try to fit everything, but I just put it in like the laundry bag because I don't want everything to stink up the rest of the stuff. But now I'm gonna try to roll all the like clothes that I didn't wear that are still clean.
I'm such an idiot.
What are you? An idiot sandwich.
Basically, I have stitches on my finger. I like sliced in between my finger with a can of pineapple.
Okay, so I just like packaged, I don't know. I just rolled up all the clothes that like are clean that I already bring here that like aren't new. And then I'm gonna grab all the clothes that I bought and figure out what I'm gonna wear tomorrow and then pack the rest up. Do you guys like my socks? I posted a picture in them and then you guys all said that they look like the socks that you guys used to have in elementary school and I was kind of offended, but like my mom got them for me, so. Okay, so this is the stuff I'm packing up, but I gotta repack that bag tomorrow because like I still have clothes that I'm gonna wear. These are the 2 garbage bags that I have for now.
Okay, I gave up on trying to go in like order of what I want to do. I'm just gonna hang up anything I want because I'm crazy.
How are you doing?
No, nothing. No progress.
They want to actually see the room being clean.
No, I'm doing a time lapse. I was just showing them that everything has a tag on it.
Yeah, because you're rich and you just buy whatever you want to see. Why does my annoying ass have to sing everywhere I fucking go? It sucks, okay? It sucks, okay?
There is literally a spoolie connected to my little jacket.
I'm tired. Oh my god. What? Stupid boy, think that
I need him. I could collect changing seasons.
So Danny's still cleaning the closet. I'm gonna make the bed. Just like making a bed makes like the room look so much better. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, even though we're probably just gonna like crash on it like after filming this video and just sleep till like 1 p.m. But it's fine. Boom. The room looks like 10 times cleaner now that the bed is made. Who thought these were a good idea?
That's not me, that's my friend Hannah.
Boy, I can go from like 5'2" to 7'10" with these. Okay, so I'm just like picking up all the random garbage off here. Y'all know that vine? Y'all better know that vine. Why don't you look at that? More clothes in the bathroom. You hate this?
I hate cleaning.
I literally took a 15-minute nap. 15 minutes. I got back from a meeting, took a nap for 15 minutes, woke up, got in an Uber, took a nap for 20 minutes, got to another appointment, came back, changed, did my makeup, went to another meeting, hung out with Sydney.
I got with her like for a long ass time. You came back at like past 12.
Yeah, we hung out till like 12:30, but we ate some Taco Bell, and then now I'm here cleaning video. Gotta film another video for her channel, and then tomorrow I leave. So it's like that YouTube grind. My left frontal brain hurts. Like my brain hurts right now. It's aching. I look like a Greasy ball.
I'm not even like good at makeup. So it's like, why do I have so much? It's because I watch videos on YouTube and I'm like, maybe I can do it. And it just never happened.
I would watch them and then like I have no intent of buying the product, so I don't.
Why?
Because like I don't want to spend my money.
So see what kind of happened in this drawer? It was once very organized and then I gave up and I just did this. It's me though. And I said, it's clean.
I can almost see it. That dream I'm dreaming, but there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. You can't sit here and tell me that once at like 3 a.m. when you were at a sleepover, you guys were just so tired that you guys started doing dumb shit, like just doing random ass shit, like singing randomly really badly, okay? And doing like musicals and like singing karaoke. This reminds me, you can't tell me that one time, not even one time, like every time you and your best friend have a normal conversation, it just turns into like a British accent or Australian accent. You guys just keep talking that normally and then you guys just like don't even realize. Full and diagonal with the drums, hit pins on you. Throw it all together, that's how we roll. I love Hannah Montana VSCO song. Clean your belly button too. Okay, so now we're on to like the finishing touch, which is cleaning out all the garbage that we like accumulated in Brandy Melville bags. Okay, so apparently we only have 3 bags of trash. Oh my god, look, it's not even that much. It's like a bunch of cardboard and stuff. It's not like clean.
But it's like better than what it was.
Yeah, it's too late. I'm tired and I'm gonna pass out. Now for the reveal. Hi, welcome 3 hours later when the room is finally clean. There's not a bunch of clothes on the floor. As you guys can see, I'm rich. I have a bunch of designer. I go shopping every 2 hours. Dior, Chanel, Gucci, Balenciaga, Fendi, Off-White. I'm just kidding, this isn't my shit. But look at this, guys. Look at the floors. They're clean. Everything's hung up. Here's my room where she makes me sleep. Honestly, if I want to move to LA, I could probably rent this out, don't you think?
Yeah.
I would actually sleep in here, no joke. I'll sleep in here. Then we have our dirty clothes with a fork in it because I guess... And here is her dresser. Random shit on it still, but like it's better than before, okay? Here looks like a big mess, but listen, I have to blow up this air mattress later today. Look, the floor is clean. The bed is made. Nothing really here to see. But here comes the bathroom that smells like shit. So we have the toilet seat that's still up, bathtub that she never takes baths in, and all the counters that are so pristine and clean, but in reality, this is where it all went. But it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. This is the shower that she showers in. Clearly she didn't pick up all her hair.
That's my sister's hair. It's blonde.
Come here.
That is my sister.
Wow. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and subscribe to Danielle's channel right here on the screen. She's done a cleaning video before too in this exact same room. So if you guys want to watch those. If you guys want to watch more of like my cleaning my room with 2 videos, I have maybe like 15 of those. So go check those out. Make sure to comment and give this video a thumbs up to, help me with the YouTube algorithm so that, I can like gain a little bit more subscribers. Also, I read every single one of my comments, so like make sure to comment something, whatever you guys want. Follow my social medias on the screen right here, especially my Instagram and Daniela's. And until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest.